Hi students, today we will study Otto cycle and its efficiency. The expression for efficiency of the engine is based on two assumptions. First assumption, at every stage the change is reversible, and second, mixture of air and petrol vapor behave like a perfect gas. In figure of Otto cycle, A0A, this is the charging stroke. From A to B, there is a compression stroke. From B to C, amount of heat produced Q1. C to D, that is adiabatic expansion. Along DA, the amount of heat given out, that is Q2. And last, A0, this is exhaust stroke. In Otto cycle, two processes, A0A, this is the charging stroke, and another AA0, this is exhaust stroke. Both cancel with each other. Amount of heat produced Q1 along BC curve. Along BC, there is a volume constant. Heat given to the surrounding, that is Q2, is along dA. Along dA, volume is again constant. The characteristics of this engine: heating takes place at constant volume, that is Q1. The value of Q1 is equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature. Q1 is equal to mCV Tc minus Tb. Here Cv is specific heat at constant volume and Tc minus Tb the rise in temperature. The amount of heat produced along BC line, that is equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature, that is mCV Tc minus Tb. Similarly, heat given out to the surrounding, that is Q2, is equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature. Along Q2, volume is constant, so that specific heat is Cv. Cv is the specific heat at constant volume. Therefore, Q2 is equal to mCv Td minus Ta. This is rise in temperature. This is the equation for Q1, equation for Q2. We know that efficiency is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1, that is work obtained divided by energy supplied, which is equal to 1 minus Q1 upon Q2. Put the value of Q1 and Q2, then we get 1 minus mCv Tc minus Tb divided by mCv Td minus Ta. mCv get cancelled with mCv, then we get efficiency is equal to 1 minus Tc minus Tb divided by Td minus Ta. Efficiency is denoted by eta. Eta is equal to 1 minus Tc minus Tb divided by Td minus Ta. We know that adiabatic relation for adiabatic change, Tv raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant K. This is adiabatic relation. In Otto cycle, there are two adiabatic curves. First, AB, this is the adiabatic curve, and another is CD. along AB the mixture undergoes adiabatic compression, so that the adiabatic relation for AB curve is given as TAVA raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to TBVB raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. And second adiabatic curve, that is a CD curve. Along CD curve, the mixture undergoes adiabatic expansion. The adiabatic relation for CD curve is given as TDVD raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to TCVC raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Now in figure, BC, this is a change when volume is constant. The value of VB is equal to VC. Similarly, a curve DA, along this DA there is isochoric change. The volume is again constant, so that VD is equal to VA. VB is equal to VC from figure, and again VD is equal to VA. From two adiabatic relation, first is equation number 1 for AB adiabatic curve. Equation second for second adiabatic curve, that is a CD curve. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 and put VD is equal to VA and VB is equal to VC. Then we get TD minus TA, put VD is equal to VA, then take VA as a common, TD minus TA, VA raised to gamma minus 1, that is equal to TC minus TB, VB raised to gamma minus 1. Here we put the value of VB is equal to VC and VD is equal to VA. Then both take as a common, that is VA as a common. Here along this side VB as a common. Then on simplification we get TC minus TB divided by TD minus TA, that is equal to VA upon VB raised to gamma minus 1. This ratio that is VB upon VA, this ratio is known as adiabatic compression ratio and denoted as rho suffix C, that is rho C, adiabatic compression ratio. Put this value of rho C in this equation, then we get 1 upon rho C bracket raised to gamma minus 1. Now the value of TC minus TB divided by TD minus TA is equal to 1 upon rho C raised to gamma minus 1, considered as equation number 3. Put the value of TC minus TB divided by TD minus TA, its value in equation of efficiency. We know that efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus TC minus TB divided by TD minus TA. Put this value in this equation, then we get efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon rho C bracket raised to gamma minus 1. Efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon rho C bracket raised to gamma minus 1. It shows that efficiency depends upon compression ratio, that is rho C. Efficiency eta is always less than 1